Hi! In today's video I want to do a little bit of advertising for my upcoming Linux driver workshops in Kiel and Prague. So I will give a workshop at the Kieler Open Source and Linux Days. And the event, so this is a small Linux user conference with talks and workshops, and it will take place from the 19th of September to the 21st of September. And here on this page you can see the agenda for it. And my workshop is scheduled for Saturday at 2 p.m. So let's take a look what I'm offering here in this workshop. So basically it's my Linux driver workshop. In this workshop you will get some first-hand on experience in how to write a Linux driver, and the goal of the workshop is to develop a Linux driver for this 7-segment display on a Raspberry Pi. And if you happen to be in Kiel on this date and you have time for the workshop, I would really appreciate if you would register for it and visit my workshop. So for doing so, down here is a button or is a field for registering for the workshop. And what you can see here is currently still 10 places are available. So, and 10 is a maximum number of participants, so still all places are available. And I'm a little bit nervous because there is only a little bit more than 2 weeks to go before the workshop, and currently no one has registered yet, but I hope this will change until the event and I can help, or I can give this workshop with some participants. So yeah, one small downside here, this event, here I will give the workshop in German language, but I can also provide you English slides. Because hopefully I will need these English slides anyway, because I've also applied for the Linux Days 2024 in Prague. So this is also a Linux user conference which takes place from the 12th to the 13th of October this year, and I've applied with my workshop for this event, and currently there is a voting ongoing which workshops and talks make it into the agenda. So if you click here, we can see the voting, and let me translate this from Czech to English. Yeah, here we go. So the first workshop here is my Linux driver workshop, which I'm offering. Basically, it's the same workshop as I will give in Kiel, but this time it's held in English. And down here you can see some votings, so you can vote for every talk and workshop if you're interested in it or not. And if you consider in visiting this event, I would really appreciate if you could take your time, go through the talks and the workshops and vote for them which are interesting for you. Okay, and so I hope I will make it into the agenda and I'm able to give the workshop here in Prague. And it would be really cool if I would see some of my viewers here on YouTube. Okay, so I think that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.